If Australia is on your travel bucket list, its beaches alone are worth the journey. Stretching across thousands of kilometers of coastline, Australia is home to some of the world's most spectacular beaches, where white sand, turquoise water, dramatic cliffs, and unforgettable sunsets create picture-perfect scenery. Whether you're looking to surf legendary waves, snorkel alongside colorful marine life, or simply relax in paradise, these 10 incredible beaches deserve a place on your itinerary. Let's start with number 10. Burleigh Heads is where golden sand meets lush national park scenery. While nearby beaches attract huge crowds, Burleigh offers a more relaxed atmosphere without losing its charm. Take a walk through Burleigh Head National Park, and you'll enjoy panoramic ocean views where dolphins and migrating whales are often spotted during the season. Finish your day watching the sunset from the headland as locals gather to enjoy one of Queensland's most beautiful coastal views. Hyams Beach has become famous for its incredibly white sand, making it one of Australia's most photographed beaches. Combined with calm, crystal-clear water, it's the perfect place for swimming, paddleboarding, and relaxing by the shore. Located within Turquoise Bay, the area is also home to playful dolphins and migrating whales during winter. The peaceful atmosphere and stunning scenery make it easy to spend an entire day here without ever getting bored. Hidden inside Freycinet National Park, Wineglass Bay is one of Australia's most breathtaking natural wonders. Before reaching the beach, you'll hike to a lookout where the perfectly curved bay, white sand, and deep blue ocean create an unforgettable view. Continue down to the beach and you'll find a peaceful stretch of coastline surrounded by granite mountains and native wildlife. Since it's only accessible by hiking or boat, the beach remains remarkably clean and uncrowded, making every visit feel like a private escape. Stretching for over 22 kilometers along the Indian Ocean, Cable Beach is famous for its endless white sand and spectacular sunsets. One of its most iconic experiences is riding a camel along the shoreline as the sun slowly disappears below the horizon. The warm water is perfect for swimming during the dry season. Watching the sky change from blue to orange and deep red is a moment that many travelers say becomes the highlight of their Australian adventure. Located in the heart of the Whitsunday Islands, Whitehaven Beach is often ranked among the world's most beautiful beaches. Its brilliant white silica sand stays cool even on the hottest days, while the surrounding turquoise water creates an incredible contrast, visible from the famous Hill Inlet Lookout. Visitors can swim, kayak, or simply relax on one of the purest beaches on Earth. Its natural beauty has remained remarkably untouched. Turquoise Bay truly lives up to its name. Situated within Ningaloo Marine Park, this beach offers one of Australia's best snorkeling experiences. Just a few steps from the shore, you'll discover colorful coral reefs filled with tropical fish, sea turtles, and rays. One of the world's most unforgettable wildlife experiences. It's a paradise for anyone who loves marine life and crystal-clear water. Lucky Bay isn't just famous for its stunning scenery. It's also known for the friendly kangaroos that regularly relax on the bright white sand. Imagine enjoying a peaceful morning by the ocean while wild kangaroos hop across the beach or rest in the sunshine. The calm, clear water is perfect for swimming, while nearby walking trails offer incredible coastal views. It's one of the few places in the world where wildlife and spectacular beaches come together so naturally. Noosa Main Beach is one of Australia's most family-friendly coastal destinations. Sheltered from strong winds, its gentle waves make it ideal for swimming all year round. Just next door, Noosa National Park offers scenic coastal walks where visitors often spot koalas resting in eucalyptus trees and dolphins swimming close to shore, giving Noosa the perfect mix of nature and modern comfort. No trip to Australia feels complete without visiting Bondi Beach. Located just minutes from Sydney's city centre, Bondi has become one of the world's most famous beaches. Surfers, swimmers, and sunseekers gather here every day to enjoy its golden sand and rolling waves. The Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk offers breathtaking ocean views, dramatic cliffs, and several smaller beaches along the way. Whether you're watching experienced surfers or relaxing by the famous Bondi Icebergs pool, The atmosphere here is truly unforgettable. Taking the top spot is the incredible Bay of Fires. This breathtaking coastline is famous for its brilliant white beaches, crystal clear water, and giant granite boulders covered in bright orange lichen, creating one of Australia's most unique landscapes. Unlike many popular beaches, Bay of Fires remains peaceful and unspoiled, allowing visitors to truly connect with nature. It's the kind of destination that reminds you why Australia is considered one of the world's greatest beach destinations. Which of these incredible Australian beaches would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. And if you're passionate about discovering the world's most beautiful destinations, subscribe for more unforgettable travel adventures every week.